White Lion Procurement has been a rising American sourcing and procurement service provider. We source products and services from emerging markets such as Mexico, India, and Vietnam, although we have the expertise for sourcing for well-known markets such as China and Hong Kong. Currently, our offices are located in Mexico, USA, and China. In 2019, we began manufacturing plastic and distributing steel products, suffering a huge impact when the COVID pandemic hit. We rose, we evolved, and we grew stronger. It is then when we started doing procurement for more businesses in completely new areas, expanding wider, further, and more than we thought, becoming a transnational company today. We offer a direct connection with factories and manufacturers around the world. We take care of supervising the quality and comply with your supply chain needs so that the product may be in your hands quickly and efficiently. We have the ability to both connect you with big manufacturing facilities and small manufacturers to fulfill your monthly orders. With our extensive knowledge of the market, we obtain the best deals at the best price in record time, with minimal or zero tariffs, and fast cheap shipping. Many of the products we deliver are metal-related products. This is a wide industry with several types of processes and several advantages and disadvantages on each. These manufacturing processes are classified into 4 broad categories: forming, casting, machining, and additive manufacturing. Each of these groups encompasses a diverse range of fabrication technologies. Before we go on, it's important to say who we serve when it comes to this industry. We process and supply metal products to a wide variety of clients, such as contractors, entrepreneurs, architects, assemblers, kickstarters, distributors, When it comes to determining the optimal manufacturing process, White Lion Procurement is ready to give a word of advice to you so you can assure the right process for your product. Forming is the process of applying forces or pressure to a material and plastically deforming it to get the desired shape. Forging, the metal is placed between 2 closed dies. Repeated hammer strokes shape the metal into the dies. Unlike cast components, forging generates excellent mechanical properties. Rolling may also be used to make complex shapes like I-beams. Rolling improves mechanical properties and can be mechanized, making it a feasible choice for big volume manufacturing. However, tooling costs might be high, and it cannot generate complex shapes. Extrusion, a continuous operation that involves heating metal in a chamber and pushing it through a die with a ram. Extrusion is best suited for 2-dimensional shapes and has excellent surface quality. Casting is the process of putting liquid metal into a mold and allowing it to cool. Typically, a secondary operation such as machining is required to provide the appropriate surface polish. Casting, like forming, is most frequently employed with metals. Die casting, sand casting, and investment casting are the 3 most common types of casting. Die casting is primarily used for non-ferrous metals like aluminum and zinc. However, because of high startup costs, it is only suited for large production runs. 4. Sand casting. The molten metal is poured into the mold through a sand channel. It may be retrieved from the sand when the metal has hardened. Many metals, even those with high melting temperatures, can be cast in sand. It can create big, complicated parts at minimal startup costs, making it suitable for small batches. It produces a rough surface and is less precise than other casting techniques. Investment casting. A sprue holds several wax patterns of the same item. In this case, the wax tree serves as a ceramic mold. Wax is melted with heat. The molten metal is poured into the ceramic mold, which cools and breaks off the casting. Investment casting is ideal for complicated geometries and precise tolerances components. But it is costly and time demanding. Machining is a material removal technique in which material is removed from the block material item using a tool. It is frequently used for secondary shaping after a primary technique like casting has been employed to produce the part. Machining is a versatile process that may be utilized on a variety of materials, including all sorts of metals. Drilling is the process of creating a circular hole in a solid object by pushing a spinning drill bit against it. Turning is the process of shaping a spinning object using a cutting tool. Milling is the process of removing material from a workpiece by advancing a cutter into it. Computer numerical control, CNC, machining is a manufacturing process in which pre-programmed computer software dictates the movement of factory tools and machinery. The process can be used to control a range of complex machinery, from grinders and lathes to mills and CNC routers. With CNC machining, three-dimensional cutting tasks can be accomplished in a single set of prompts, quickly and assuring the highest quality. Additive manufacturing is a process that includes layering material to create the desired item. Additive manufacturing processes include 3D printing, selective laser sintering, and vat polymerization. 3D printing: an object is successfully constructed layer by layer using a computer. 3D printing is a lengthy procedure with a restricted material selection. As a result, it is more frequently utilized for prototyping than mass manufacturing. Selective laser sintering: an additive manufacturing process that utilizes a laser to sinter powdered material by autonomously directing the laser at places in space described by a 3D model, therefore bonding the material together to form a solid structure. We are an ideal rapid prototyping solution for customers that need high-quality 3D metal parts or metal prototypes quickly. Our rapid prototyping capabilities and deep technical knowledge provide the competitive edge customers need when undergoing the product development process, in order to assist in validating products and expediting them to market. Some of the manufactured end products we've done are kitchenware and kitchen hand machines for hotels, restaurants, yachts. Wall panels, steel plates, strip steel, open sections, steel floor beams, cellular beams, plate girders, tooling, and hardware mainly for the construction industry. Metal sheets and various metal parts that are used for ship construction and machinery manufacturing. Chairs, tables, bed frames, posts, ornaments, door panel systems, and other products, mainly for the furniture and decorative industry. Prototypes and on-demand specialized design parts requested by product owners. Specialized automobile and airplane metal parts mainly for car and aircraft assemblers. We've done metalwork for product owners, hotels, office buildings, non-profit organizations, and more. Take a look at our projects. Get high-tech machinery ready to manufacture for your company. CNC milling machines, boring milling machines, drilling milling machines, Swiss-type lathes, conventional lathes, trimmers, transfer machines, induction furnace, casting machines, and more. Once your product design is complete, we have several agreements and partnerships with production facilities in the United States, Central America, and Asia. Get your product made promptly with the assurance of quality and peace of mind that only White Lion Procurement can offer to you. Tell us the application and we will provide the best solution for you. We have a lot to offer. On each solution, get the highest quality of the market with us, White Lion Procurement. If you like this video, subscribe and share it with your friends. Do not forget to activate the notifications, visit our social media, and get to know us better. We are willing to make a true connection with people. If you have a product in mind or an upcoming project, do not hesitate to contact us through our phone lines that appear on the screen, or by email.